Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn about the Depop Dropshipping. So first thing that you are going to do here is just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for Depop. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then you have this first website. So you just have to tap on that one and then you will be directed to this page. So you just have to sign up for an account. That's right. And then here we have the sell now option. So we just have to tap on this one or just go to your profile and then tap on the your selling hub option. Okay, so when you tapped on it, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, just have to list an item. Now, here's a realistic 2026 guide for you to Depop drop shipping that actually works today, not the outdated one like copy paste AliExpress method. So first is we have to understand the game. So Depop is now stricter plus more community driven. So buyers expect authentic branding, not obvious reselling, like plain AliExpress reposting, that's low sales or account risk. So your goal is not just drop shipping, it's curated fashion reselling. So we have to pick a strong niche. Okay, so you can choose one aesthetic like Y2K, vintage core, streetwear, baggy cargos, oversized, and so on. So, for example, we are just going to, choose streetwear. Then after that, we just going to find products from AliExpress or alternatives. So we have to look for 4.5 plus rating products. Okay, and then 500 plus orders and real customer reviews with photos. Okay, so for example, we are going to search for cargos or cargo pants. Okay, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then, for example, this one or this one. So make sure that the product that you are going to select is authentic and effective to sell. Okay, so let me just find here a perfect product. For example, this one it has 500 plus sold. Then we need to check the ratings for this one. Okay, it has 4.3, so let's just consider this one. But you need to look for 4.5 plus ratings. Okay, so we also have better alternatives if you want higher quality like CG Dropshipping or Zendrop. Now, next is do not just copy listing. This is where most of the people fail. So instead of copying title plus photos, we have to rename the product creativity, vintage wash oversized tee, or you know, vintage cargo pants, something like that. And then we have to edit the photos. So we're just going to grab photos from here. And then we have to edit those photos our own. So we need to rebrand the products. Okay. So we can add outfit styling, that's very important, and because we are selling a look, not just a product. Okay, now next thing that we are going to do is to create your Depop store properly. So we have to make it look legit, clean username, brand vibe, and bio example like curated Y2K and streetwear pieces. So ships worldwide 7 to 14 days, and for the profile picture, static logo or outfit. Okay, so you just have to add those right here. So let me just tap on this one. Okay, so let's just go and start selling. So we just have to input right here the date of our birthday. So 01, okay, 14 2001. That's right. Okay, so of course for the pricing strategy, for supplier, for example, the supplier price is about 738.93 pesos, or let's say it's about $15. Okay, so we have to change that. So after branding, after creating your own store and your products, so we have to um, change the selling price. So for example, we are going to sell this for about $25, so we can do that. Now, we are charging for the curation, the branding, and the convenience. So we need to not go cheaper because that looks suspicious. Okay. Next is we have to upload listings. So we need to optimize the algorithm. So each listings could have clean title plus keywords, 3 to 5 hashtags, so we can create our listing right here. And then of course, for the hashtags, we can use like streetwear and etc. And for the description, we can add the size info, the shipping time. We need to be very honest with that. And for the static vibe, and we have to post daily or consistently because Depop boosts active sellers. Okay, now for the order fulfillment. How dropshipping works. When someone buys, you have to go to AliExpress. For example, someone buy this cargo pants from our store, so we have to go here and we have to input the customer's address. So of course, when they purchase on our store, we can get their all of their information or their delivery information address. So we can get that. So we will be the one who will order from AliExpress. So just tap on the buy now option, and then here we just have to provide a customer's address. Okay. And then um these products will shipped automatically to them. And then we have to message the supplier, no invoice, no branding. So we have to be honest about shipping. This is make or break. So say clearly shipping will take about 7 to 15 days. And if you lie, they will request for refunds, bad reviews, and account issues. And for the customer service, your advantage. So you can reply fast, even simple, like hi, thanks for your order. Shipping takes around 10 days. And good communication, repeat buyers. And for this 2026, you do not ignore this. Depop users can reverse image search, long shipping complaints, so for the quality issues from suppliers, and account restrictions if many disputes. And how you can actually win this one, you have to build a brand feel, focus on one aesthetic, okay, and then eventually bulk buy winning items, and then you just have to create your own photos, and that one is game changer. Okay, so again, for drop shipping on Depop still works, but only if you don't look like a drop shipper. So if your store looks like AliExpress repost, you lose. So if it looks like a fashion brand, then you win. So you really need to invest your time and effort, even if you're just doing drop shipping, because you need to create your own brand so people will buy from your Depop store. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.